5. He is in Paul. He is married. He is in Victor 4 and 5. Ma'am, do you know why I stopped you today?
Hell no, to the no, 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 yeah, to the no.
Yo!
Can I ask you what you're filming?
What's that?
Can I ask you what you're filming?
You can ask me whatever you want.
Yeah, no, just wondering.
Yeah.
Deer Camp 2011.
What's that?
I'm just reading your hat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How's your day going, man?
Good, good, man.
It's a multi-tenant building, Pepsi and the dairy farmers, huh?
Yeah,
Pretty good. Giving employment to the community, which is good.
definitely.
Yeah.
We just have a policy of no filming, so we just have to ask why you're filming. So
Well, your policy.
internal is what we're saying. So
Right,
we're just asking questions.
Right. So your policy doesn't have anything to do with me when I'm in a public site.
Oh no! We're just asking
You're
questions.
just an inquisitive guy.
That is our policy.
Well, so your policy is to ask why somebody is filming outside your facility?
Well, but filming our facilities, yeah.
Right. Well,
That's fine. I'm just asking. That's it.
Yeah, their policy. You know, when I'm out in public, you know, I'm having this cordial conversation. You seem like a cool dude.
Oh yeah, no, that's fine.
But the policy is a bullshit policy to say, hey, if you see somebody filming our building from a public area, you need to engage in it. That's just bullshit, man, because it's none of anybody's business if I'm out in public what I'm doing. Now,
I totally agree.
Yeah. Now, if I was behind on private property,
yeah,
then, you know, which I'm not,
oh, totally.
and I wouldn't, then their policy comes into effect, and that makes sense.
I agree.
But we're just out here in public documenting the Pepsi and Dairy Farmers Association building. Yeah.
Hopefully you give us a good write-up.
Yeah, my name's Phil. What's your name?
My name's David. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you, man.
So, because sometimes we get people walking in because the gates are open. So.
Yeah. Well, why don't they close them?
Well, because we have trucks coming out.
So you guys got to flip a coin. What's more important?
Well, it's a parking lot, you know.
Oh yeah. So people just wander in.
Well, I mean, if you, yeah.
What did it?
But that's what we come out here to ask. So that's all I'm saying.
Yeah. Well, but if
Enjoy
you're
your
already
day.
in.
What's your name again?
Phil.
Phil, nice to meet you.
Yeah. Hey, you
Enjoy
too,
your
man.
day.
What do you do? You got a good job here?
Yeah, I work for a dairy farm.
Dairy farmer. All right, David. Take care, man.
You too, man.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good day, ma'am. Yeah, you know, my moderator.
All right. Well, I think David pretty much told him what we're doing.
Lady's license plate 5. He is in Paul. He is married. He is in Victor 4 and 5.
Ma'am, do you know why I stopped you today?
Gotcha. You're breaking policy if you don't ask people what they're filming. That seems like a crazy policy. Your policy is to ask people on a sidewalk what they're filming. If you don't ask them what they're filming, you're breaking policy. Can you get fired for breaking policy? Hey, you're breaking policy if you don't ask me what I'm filming, apparently. That's what I was told. It's policy to ask me what I'm doing. Don't break policy, you get in trouble. I don't have a policy. You can film all you want. I don't have a policy. Film all you want, man. But your policy is to ask people on a public sidewalk why they're filming. And if you don't ask it, you're breaking your policy. Seems like a stupid policy. You should talk to the higher up so you don't break it. You've already broken it. You didn't ask me what I'm filming. You're a policy breaker. You guys are policy breakers. So now, this story is on the policy breakers. They're breaking policy. You're breaking policy, sir.
How?
Well, they said it's your policy to ask people when they're in a public sidewalk why they're filming. So, if you don't ask me, you're breaking policy, apparently.
I didn't ask you anything.
No, I know, I'm just saying that you're breaking policy by not asking me, because they said that's the policy. And it seemed like a crazy policy that you would ask me when I'm on a public sidewalk why I'm filming. Yeah, but so when you don't ask me, you're breaking policy, and you're going to get in trouble because you're not asking me. I don't want you to break policy, so you can ask me.
You're on public property, it doesn't matter.
What's that?
I said you're on public property.
Yeah, see? They should make you the CEO. At least you got brains.
Anything I can help you with?
I don't know, you got a couple waters? No, we're good, man. Thanks for offering. We don't need any help. Just tell them that that's a stupid policy. That's how you can help me, now that I think of it. That's the best help you can give me.